Okay, people. I want to try to explain to you what's going on in your lungs right now with this virus because I don't think a lot of you know, or maybe some of you do know. Now, this is kind of crude, but I'm using my daughter's Legos to kind of show you what's going on. Now, let's say this is the lining of your lungs. Now, your lungs are a sack of fluid. We think of them as dry, but they're not. It's a sack of fluid. These are cells, right? So what's happening is you have the virus, which is coming in and attacking certain cells. They're attaching themselves into the cells and attack a certain cell, kill the cell, and create a bunch of more viruses, which will keep attacking more and more cells outside of the lining of your lung. So what has to happen is your white blood cells, this is your white blood cells, let's say that. These are macrophage, helper T cells. Helper T cells come and they have to mark the bad cells and the viruses while the white blood cells quarantine the area. So you have different cells that come and view the area, different cells which mark the cells that need to be done, and then you have the amoeba-like macrophage which will take the cell and absorb it and destroy it. But that's not also the point. So let's say this is your this is your immune response attacking the cells right now, the outside line. Now your cells are building more and more cells always. Now let's say this is a protein. Now you have a protein that can help build more cells. So let's say, but it builds it faster if you have coenzymes, something like this. This is why you need to eat things like spinach and get beta carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin A, because this will help. It attaches onto this, changes the shape of the protein, right? Sorry, I'm trying to do this as crude and fast as possible. So then it will help aid to make more cells quickly so you can rebuild the wall that's being depleted by the virus that's destroying the outline of your cells inside your lungs. This is the battle that's going on inside your body right now. But you need to breathe because you can bring more white blood cells through the circulatory system, and you can help your protein synthesis to aid in making more cells by eating good food. So I know this is goofy, but this is what's going on inside your lungs. There's a battle going on. It's an amazing thing. Everything needs to work in unison to get these little viruses out and aid in creating more cells. I know that's crude and it looks kind of goofy, but this is what's going on in your lungs. This is why you need to keep breathing, and you need to keep because the more you breathe, the more your heart beats, the more of these come into play and attack these and get them out. And the more you eat good, healthy foods, the faster you're going to build more new cells through protein synthesis. I know it's goofy, but I'm just trying to explain this to layman's. This is what's going on. It's a battle inside your lungs. So win it.